Thank you very much, Sherto. And I must just start by saying how absolutely excited I am to be the one holding the space as we begin this amazing conversation. Good afternoon, everybody. Good evening, everybody. It's just about that time, moving from afternoon to evening where I am in Nairobi. So welcome to this first session in which we will be looking at the showcasing indigenous systems of governance in Africa. And as Sherto and Musa have already said, some of the questions we're looking at you're just thinking about what are the foundations of the systems of governance that we'll be looking at. We are interested in looking at how power is organized, it's shared, it's delegated, and expressed within the systems of governance that we'll be thinking about. We are interested in looking at how consensus building is actually integral, if it is, in these systems of governance. We are also interested in the approaches and processes that are part of this system that deal with unexpected situations. And finally, we have a particular focus on how the community, the people themselves who are served by this system of governance, monitor and evaluate its workings, monitor and evaluate how those who are given the privilege of serving the community using this system are serving them. And so we will begin with 3 presentations. First, we will look at human social organizations and governance in Africa in general. And then we will start right at the top of the continent and look at the philosophy and cosmology of ancient Egypt, and then travel southwards and look at the philosophy of Ubuntu and well-being. It is now my pleasure to introduce our first speaker. Our first speaker is a distinguished university professor of anthropology and the director of the Africa Research Center, a German university. Coming to us, therefore, from China is Professor Augustin F.C. Hall. He will be speaking to us on the first human social organizations and governance in Africa. Welcome, Prof.